Hello, my name is Dayana Chilito Fajardo. The impact of technology is hard-time solution development of connect and facilitate life in society and in the last half century technological advances have been so far reached that they have even modified the way wildlife communicate and interact. In, in this sense, the technology has brought grand advances for social development, but also the disadvantage that hard spreads individualities and collected the that's hard some of them. See? And some advantages can access to information, um, access to multiple sources of content, stimulation of creativity, prompting innovation, both entrepreneurship, facilitation, communication in conducted, tough, depth, efficiency, uh, depth, other sectors, such as transport, simplified tasks, improved administrative and industrial process. ¿Sí? Increase, increase jobs entretenimiento output, facilitates access to education, stimulates air development of teaching skills, creative new sources of employment. Disadvantage, negative influence on worker productive, inherits ethical dilemmas. For example, we artificial intelligence can generate unemployment stimulated, social isolation, dissociation from reality, generation of budget wasted, digital privacy issues. Um, how do you set the future of the of planet of planet from my point of view and can say that it is sign that the future is uncertain but is scientifically what can predict wanted words will be lived in a fair birth in is not very risky to venture into such some planet is checked at a great speed. Most tests checked are go to treat ut environmentality that of the dimensions never seen efforts, experts have low warning than then climatic is increasingly unstable temperature are reaching 10 glacial poles are emitted. Millions of animals species are disappeared. Natural resources are being depleted due to uncontrolled human consumption. Strange storm mitigated erosion damages. Yes, though those 10 habits of society, 10 arts what to go against um, embryon, environmental damage is necessary. Some job forces don't avoid them beat a healthy well international attitude such as saber water avion excessive energy consumed there's separate organic and recyclable water for the creative use of automotive file the creative consume only what is necessary and avion composite purchase seeds use ecological and biodegradable products. 7. Don't know throw garbage on don't stray. Thank you.